Alright guys, today I got a little project. I'm going to install this Renegade blade. It's a carbide tipped brush cutter blade. It's got all lightning holes in it, so it's a little lighter, spools up faster. It's got a lot of teeth. I'm not sure how many it is. It's the one with the higher tooth count. And it come with a washer, adapter. That's all it came with there, and then I had to buy this kit separately to adapt it to the string trimmer. It's got a cup, a lock nut, and a big washer that's splined, goes over the gearbox splines. I also got this one. It's a Forester. It's got like a chainsaw tooth on it that can be resharpened. And this is my string trimmer. It's a FS56 RC steel string trimmer. So I'm going to install this now, see how it goes. Hopefully I won't need any more parts than that. Okay, the little adapter kit. That also came with this little screwdriver too. And the way you get the head off is, well, first I'm going to take the string out. String spool out. This just has two little tabs you push in on. And take that out. And then the way you get the rest of the head out, there's a hole right here. And that's why I came with the screwdriver. And you turn it clockwise to loosen it. This is a reverse thread, which is pretty loose. Can run off. And I did a little cleaning on this because I was weed eating. Nope, didn't loosen it. Oh, it's really tight. I guess it just slipped. Okay. Flip back at it. Okay, now it's loose. I was weed eating a bunch of brush, and there's poison oak, poison ivy in there. So I cleaned it up a little bit, but I'm still going to have to wash my hands good after this. Okay, so turn it clockwise. It's a reverse thread. Okay, so I figured out the Renegade blade will fit right in there. It'll center up nice. Don't need the little adapter washer with the steel FS56. So I'll put this back on there. Adapter plate, and put the blade on. Got to make sure the direction of rotation is correct. I'm going to do that. So I got trimmer string, and it looks like the way the string is bent, looks like it spins this way. So I'm going to put the teeth going that way. It's got an arrow. So I'll get that centered on there. I'm going to put this little washer on. The washer has it's kind of cupped out, the cup side towards the blade. And it's splined, so the splines go right on your string trimmer like that. And then I'll put this cup on. Pinch it all that together, and then the reverse threaded nut, so this goes counterclockwise to tighten. It's a 19 millimeter. So I got 19 mil here. I'll hold all that together. Yeah, it's a little difficult to do. I forgot to put my screwdriver in there. You almost need 3 hands to do this, because you need to hold that screwdriver to stop it from turning. So I'm going to get this somewhat tight. Put it a little loose so I can get it all lined up. And I'll snug it down the rest of the way. Looks like it jumped into position for me. Okay, so I'm going to snug this down. That should do it. Go out and cut some brush. I'll make a little video with it, cutting brush. It looks like the blade depth is about maybe 2¼ inches. You cut something, probably. And the other one, the other blade is probably a little bigger. Let's see here. Yeah, this blade is about 1 inch bigger. So you could probably cut 3-inch Forester blade. But mostly what I'm going to be doing is just knocking down some little trees. About that big, little sapling trees. Looks good. I gotta tell you, this is the best thing. Because I've tried using a string trimmer out here, just a regular string, and it did not work at all. Not breaking the string. So this saw blade, I love it. Okay guys, here's what I got done in about a half an hour. I got this bank here all cleared up. Oh well, it's going to show on video, but that's quite a bit from that tree all the way over to where it's brushy again over there. And it works real good. The only problem I had, you can't cut the stumps real low because of this guard on here. So there may be another lower guard you can get. I have to look around. I don't think I'd want to run it without a guard, but it's working real well.